Thank you for joining me today. Thank you and welcome back to my wealth space. This is where we build generational wealth for ourselves. This is where we have financial breakthrough. We share information in order for us to achieve our financial goal. If this is something that you're interested in, I would like you to join the community. I would like you to subscribe to the channel and share this video. Today, I am talking about Nikola Corporation. It's a company that deal with heavy duty EV, electric vehicles. They are specializing on a truck like tractor trailer. They produce heavy duty batteries for tractor trailers and heavy duty trucks, and they manufacture those trucks also. So their company is divided into two sections, two divisions. One is energy, and the other one is truck. This company also involved in producing hydrogen fuel. So they produce hydrogen fuel. They are very involved in all these new technologies that seems to be the new era in future for EV and also logistic. So, but recently, like every other new industry that's springing up, uh, exception is not with Nikola. Nikola also they are facing their own issue of how to break through these challenges of coming up as a great company or as coming up as a profitable company. So recently, their stocks has been down for a while, and they have lost steam for a while. But recently, they have a new CEO, and the hope of delivering their trucks is coming alive even the more. So they began to deliver these trucks, and they began to produce more batteries that is all these trucks are using. So their stocks begin to kind of come alive. Today, actually, I believe at least it was stock went up 28%. At one time, I think their stock was like 80 cents or something like that. But now it is for the past 2 weeks, it's coming up. And I think now today it went up by 28%, if I'm not mistaken. So I think Nikola is a company for us to kind of look into to do our research on to see if it can fit us or if it can manage it. Like I said on this platform, we are not trading all these companies that I'm bringing up. We are basically investing in them with the hope of in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, or even longer, we will have a massive or a great return on our investment. Of course, I don't have the crystal ball to guarantee you that. But with the potential and the data that we are looking at and the product that they are carrying and the technology that they have, the chances of it is great. And this is why I'm bringing this company out. That Nikola is one company that we can look into, that we can see if we can, take action on it. Of course, I cannot tell you what to do. I can only bring this company and the opportunity that I see in it, bring it to you. So I want us to kind of, do our own research, make up our own mind, and do something if we decide to do. So let me show you what I'm talking about Nicholas. If you look right here, this is the profile. Nikola's Corporation is a designer and manufacturer of heavy duty batteries, electric and hydrogen electric vehicles, and energy infrastructure solution. The company is also a technology integrator that is engaged in developing energy and transportation solution. Okay, the is operate through two business unit, truck and energy. Okay, that's what I was saying, that they have two divisions in the company. The truck business unit is engaged in developing and commercializing batteries, electric vehicles, and hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles. Class 8 truck that provide solution to short haul, medium haul, and long haul trucking sector. So they are involved in a lot of logistic, and they produce the actual truck, and they have the technology of producing the heavy duty commercial batteries. So the chances are there for Nicholas. And there's no way, if they are one of those that first got into EV in a tractor trailer, in heavy duty, they're probably going to be one of those that's going to dominate that sector. And that is why I say right now that the stock is still kind of really low, and look at the potential of what they do, what they produce, and the technology they have. I think it's they worth our time to kind of do research on them to see what we can do. This is the stock right here. Today, as at today, actually, the stock went up 32%. So it's coming alive. In the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's becoming alive. Because they have a new CEO. And if you look at it, their market cap is only $984 million, a small cap company. So this is it. I want us to kind of just do our research on it and see what potential that we have. This is what they do. They produce the battery, they produce the truck, they have a logistic technology, they produce hydrogen fuel. So they are in it. And this is okay. This is one of the truck. This is one of their truck, and I think some of their truck is already on the road and is working. So as time goes on, I believe they are going to do really well. I believe so, at least in the long run. That's why I believe that for us to build a generational wealth, imagine if this stock is just 115. We never know what the stock might be. If they're successful in what they do, we never know what the stock might be. At one point, Amazon was $1, was $3, and now is look at where it is. Some other stock that has $1, $2, that becomes $1,000 a piece. So we never know. So it's a risk that we're taking. That's what it is in life anyway. It's a risk, and I think this is a risk that we can take chances on, and we can see how far we can go. Now, why does the stock go up today 32%? Why does it go up today 32%? This is what happened. So they said Nikola has begun serial production of its hydrogen fuel cell truck. It has begun the serial production. And again, a recent call of the battery electric truck isn't what investors are focusing on. So recently they have issue with some batteries or some model of the battery they are making. And now it seems like nobody is really, it's a small issue that has been fixed. Nikola has a fix for the battery fire problem, and each hydrogen truck use a different battery pack and supplier. So they have issue, they solve the issue. The investors are not really, think that's the big deal. Like I said, based on what they are doing, the potential that they have, we cannot but to kind of look at them and see what we can do about it. So these are the points that bring the stock up by 32%. The position well, and they has the big chance. They have a big chance. And actually, if you look at what the analysts are saying, we have three professional analysts focused on the company. So right now we have three. Uh, these are the people that really really is their job. They look into it. They are professional. They've been doing it for years, and they have a track record of predicting or forecasting things, in future, and they have a result. They have tracking result for it. So this is three people kind of rate it, and they rate it to be. They said it's undervalued. That is supposed to be valued more than what it is now, which is $1.15. They said it's supposed to be way more than that. Forecasting is supposed to be valued at $2.50. $2.50. So if you look at it, even with the 28 or 30% that it went up today, or 32% that it went up today, the analysts, the professionals still saying it's still undervalued. That it should be way more than that. It should $2.50. So if you buy five of it, and it goes to this $2.50 that was the forecast for now, I think we have make a profit. But we are not even trying to do that. We're trying to have the whole loaf of bread. We have to have it all. So we're trying to invest in it now when the company is looking for support, when it's looking for investors. So let us do our research and see if we can be one of the investors. There's nothing, just DCA into it, like dollar cost average into it. If you decide you want to do it, just dollar cost average into it, $2 to $5, $3, whatever it is convenient for you to do. So this is the reason why it goes up 32% today. This is the truck, and also we can do more research to see. Well, that will be it for you today. Thank you for joining in. If you have not subscribed, like I said earlier at the beginning of this video, I would like you to share this video. Let us all rub minds. Let us all share this information together and get to the next level together. Remember, nobody knows it all, but we all seem to know it all. Thank you once again, and I will see you in the next video.